Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change Spotify username. Alright, let's begin. On Spotify, your username is a unique string of numbers or letters, and unfortunately it cannot be changed. The good news is that you can change your display name, which is what others will see when you share playlists or interact on Spotify. To do this, open the Spotify app and tap on your profile at the top left. Next, select View Profile, then tap Edit Profile. Here, you can change your display name to whatever you like. After entering your new name, make sure to tap Save to apply the changes. This display name update will be visible to your friends, followers, and anyone you share content with, while your original username remains the same in the background. So even though Spotify does not allow changing the actual username, updating your display name gives you control over how you appear on the platform. So that's basically how you can change Spotify username. That's it for this video. Thanks.